All right, hey guys, Jay from Showtime Audio. So we have this beautiful 2016 BMW X6. I mean, this thing is pristine. It's got like 60,000 original miles. I mean, look at it, it's immaculate. We did a few years ago, about 2 years ago, we did the CarPlay integration in this car. So basically we retrofitted a CarPlay unit. So now she can use CarPlay on the factory screen through the iDrive. She loves it. She says it's best investment she ever made. So she's also now doing the remote starter. So we use a remote starter that's vehicle specific. On a lot of the new BMWs, most shops will tell you it's not doable. They are doable, it's just, it requires a better starter. It's not your traditional starter that you put on your everyday car. It's actually a BMW Mini Cooper specific starter. In essence, plug and play. After a lot of work, it's plug and play. You have to repin connectors quite a bit. The nice thing is it works as if it came with the car. What you do is you hit lock, 1, 2, lights flash. Ta-da! No more freezing. And then the car runs, everything works exactly the same as it would normally. On this particular vehicle, we always add drone with these units because this way you're not tied to the distance of this remote. The distance of the remote is not that great. So with the application, you can start it from your phone, you can start it from your watch. I mean, literally everywhere. It's awesome. Range is unlimited. As long as you have cellular or Wi-Fi, and the car does, you will literally be able to start the car from anywhere.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.